So let's talk about why you want to use microfiber towels in your cleaning business and what the differences are, because the price of microfiber varies greatly for good reasons. When we go to the store, what I can do is if I lift a towel up and I hold it up and I can see through it, so see light through my towel, typically that's my polyester towel, my cheap microfiber towel that is not going to absorb a whole lot, but it is technically microfiber. What we're looking at here are nylon slash polyamine towels, okay? If you're in the hospital healthcare setting, these nylon towels are the ones you're going to see when you use disinfectant, because yes, they do tend to dry slower, they absorb more, and they last longer. So not only am I saying that yes, you definitely get microfiber for your cleaning business, what I'm also saying is the type of microfiber towel that you purchase has a huge difference on the cleaning result. Number two, why does it even matter that I use microfiber towels? Well, cotton towels, if you think about it, cotton is a natural fiber. With the natural fibers, it can breed infection. You can have pathogens, germs as you guys like to call them, can be bred in these towels. So as you're getting them wet, you're spreading that around. And again, like the poor quality polyester towel, your terry towels, those white cotton towels, don't last very long. And another thing we talk about with that is the number three is color coding. If you're dealing with a cotton towel, they're all typically white, right? You may get some that are dyed a color or have a blue strip or a red strip on them that shows you, like in a restaurant business, that this is for the bar, this is for a table. Where microfiber, you'll see a blue towel that we use here for glass, a green for surfaces, and then we have a yellow that we use for restrooms. And that way I know that if I'm using this for a surface, it definitely didn't touch my toilet. Now, my color coding can also help me out when I'm laundering. If I have a yellow towel that I know, like, hey, this touched the toilet, I probably don't want to wash that in the same load that I'm washing the ones that touch the glass, or let's say the front desk at the office. I can also launder them color code wise too. So in short, microfiber is the choice for you when you're cleaning. So whether it's a commercial environment or your home, if you want a clean, safe environment, microfiber is far superior than cotton. And then when you're looking for what types of microfiber, again, use those tips, put it up to the light. If you can see through it, you know it's polyester. You know it's a cheap microfiber. Don't expect it to last very long. So what you want to get is that microfiber that almost feels thicker. You can't see the light through, and then you'll know that's a nylon, or you can always check if it's nylon or not. But that's what you're looking for. And again, microfiber is the choice when you're looking for a clean, safe environment. I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.